How to delete posts on Reddit mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Now, tap on the profile option you see there, and then in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the posts option. Once you have reached on the post section, go ahead and scroll through the post that you want to delete, and further tap on the three dots beside the post that you want to delete, and in the menu that appears, you will see the delete post option. Tap on the delete post option there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again, and with this, the post will be deleted. So this is how you can delete post on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.